No, go back. Running. Listening. Go back.
Try to start moving around, see if he does anything. If he comes back to you.
No.
Are you videoing or?
Yeah. It's hilarious.
Ah! I teach you why.
Is he trying to bite your fingers?
No, he's trying to lick my head. He's like trying to dig through his tongue and teeth.
Oh, wait, what's it?
He's like just laying there and no, now he's trying to leave. Raise your head up. See if he's coming.
You gotta look pretty for the camera.
He came right to you.
He's looking the opposite way. You got the move. Oh, here he comes. Really? He stops to bathe himself.
Gotta be pretty for the camera.
You just had a bath. Quit scratching yourself. Turn to the side and throw him over.
I ain't done it. What were you expecting?
What does he do?
Ah. I don't know.
He's sitting on your back like he's dominated you. Like you're his throne. Sick him. Hey.
Face my tiny rat.
Oh gosh.
Why do you like to taste my head?
That is so gross. Did you put that coconut oil on? Or that's sweet.
Maybe.
Yeah, he likes that coconut oil. I put
Yeah.
it in my hair and he like went to town on my hair one night.
Shake your head. Try to shake him off. Or throw him over. Oh, he's gonna get you now. Teach you to throw me off. It's so funny.
Please bathe myself and I'll get it back. Excuse me.
What is he hoping to accomplish?
What the hell is he eating on top of me?
No idea.
You're crunching something.
Yeah, what in the hell did he just... Where did he get that from? What did he have?
I have no idea.
So odd. He didn't even have any food inside.
Maybe
What
he's
is
a
it?
ninja, and he keeps dolls in the back of his throat, and then when he's hungry, he's like, oh.
Stop talking.
Maybe it's plastic.
Maybe.
Give me some. Hey, give me some.
He's a little annoyed by you right now.
Hey, share. Come on, share. Okay.
So you're so goofy.
There's one taste. Don't hold me.
Yes, he put his paw out to try to hold you. He was using his paws to hold your head.
I think he wants your head wrinkles.
He didn't even have head wrinkles.
That's a really like,
What a little bad butt. So rude. You're being attacked.
Jumped. Well. Ah. Not that kind of jump, fool.
It was an octopus. We'll tell people it was a pit bull that jumped you, okay?
Alright.
We'll hide this footage and say it was a pit bull. You just barely escaped with your life.
Crazy. What are you? Apparently he's got a craving for human hands.
bad justice.
He has a rumbling and a tumbling that only human hands can.
You're like, oh, you about to get it now. That was hilarious.